Alright, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're going to be doing some ham. Holidays are coming up, Christmas is just around the corner and a lot of people are going to be doing ham. So I decided let's go ahead and do some ham, and what I'll be doing is I'll be cooking it at 250 degrees. I'm going to be adding some meat church rub, honey hog ham. We have a spiral cut. That being said, let's go ahead and add some rub to our ham. So there's our ham. This is the rub we're going to be using. You guys don't have to use a barbecue rub. You guys can just put it like that. I'm not going to be adding a glaze, just rub, that's it. Alright, so you guys are able to use any kind of binder if you guys want. I am not going to use it, but you guys are more than welcome to use it. Just going to go ahead and just add some of this. Just get it all over the side, that's about it. I'm not going to go too hammy on it. Just a nice coat of flavoring. And I think this honey hog has a little hint of honey, and it's perfect for this. I think it'll be perfect for the ham. Just like that. So let's go ahead and fire up that Traeger. All right, our Traeger is up to temp at 250 degrees. Let's go ahead and put this ham in. Right in the middle. There we go. Go ahead and close it. We'll be back. Okay, now that our ham is in the Traeger, they're saying it could take about 2 hours or 2.5. But I'll be checking it every 1 hour to see where we're at. And like always, most of the ham are pre-cooked. You're just pretty much warming it up. We're warming it up in the smoker. I'll be checking it every hour for 2.5 hours, so I'll check it twice and see where it's at. They're saying internal temps should reach 140. Serving temps to eat. That being said, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. It really helps us out, guys. Thank you for everything. So let's go back to this cook and I'll see you in an hour. All right guys, it's been 1 hour and here we go. All right, look at that smoke coming out. It's looking good. I'm gonna say let's go ahead and keep it there for another hour. We'll be back. All right guys, we're back and that is looking good. That is looking great. Almost there, about a half hour, and we'll be back. All right guys, it's been a half hour. Let's check it out. Oh yes, and this is ready to come out. So let's go ahead and take it out. All right guys, we are done. It looks great and it's smelling so good. I can't wait to try this. So before we do this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. So here's our ham. Let's go ahead and give it a try because I've been waiting for this and it looks really good. So here it is. Look at that. Ooh. You taste a hint of that smoke flavor. It's real good. That rub, not too strong. You just feel it on the back end. It's really good. Hit that like, check out these videos, and we'll see you guys next time.